Students of science. All right, so if you've gotten through to this last lesson in the OS2 project workbook, I'm saying you're winning. If you're not and you jump to this, you can still win because it's some good information. So we're gonna get into it real quick. So the title is Life Strategy versus Daily Tactics. And I'm gonna quote one of my favorite rappers, Jay-Z. And in one of his songs, I believe he says, "It's my business, man." And then he says, "I'm a businessman," right? So it's your business to be about your business, but you have to treat yourself like a business. And what this particular lesson does is it actually has you develop yourself as a corporation. Who are on your board of directors? What people do you need around you? You have to think about yourself where, what do I see myself 5 to 7 years from now? And the strategies are the higher pictures of how to make sure that you can get to those, say, 3 strategies. And the tactics are on a daily basis. These are my actions. This is what I'm doing to get there. And so I believe it's really critical as we move through life to really figure out on a daily basis, are the things that I'm doing working? And if they're not, how do I change course accordingly? But also, are the strategies, are the broader things that I'm doing to try to get to this goal that I want to achieve in life, are they working as well? And if they're not, then this particular lesson will give you an idea of just at least creating a roadmap of how you can go about living your life and being successful. But also it gives you an opportunity to reflect later, 6 months from now or a year from now, and say that the things that I did were helpful and I want to continue to do those things, or some of the things that I did weren't helpful and I need to maybe pivot from them or adjust or refine them. Because at the end of the day, I want you to be conscious of and mindful of every action that you do in life and understand that approach and that process and steps, and at the end of the day, win.